Mental health is all over the news. People are talking about it. They talk about it in the Olympics. It's a hot topic. What about plastic surgery? Can plastic surgery help a patient's mental health? We're going to break that down full throttle. Hi, Doc audience. How can plastic surgery impact mental health? Rod, what do you think? I think probably there is some really positive effects of the things that we do, don't you think?
Oh, 100%. You know, and I know that half the time we're plastic surgeons, half the time we're psychiatrists to our patients. It's the two P's, plastic surgery, psychiatry. I mean, our job is to lift people up. You got to tell them, they look good, they feel good, and they're going to get better, And the most important thing is people want to look as good as they feel, and that actually is our signature. And we do that. You do that in breast surgery. I do it in face and noses, and I think it's a good thing. It's a very positive thing because people want to feel energized. They want to feel positive. They want to feel good about themselves. So I think plastic surgery goes a long way in doing that. I think it's much better than drugs and sometimes psychotherapy, but seriously, many times I'm talking my patients up because after surgery, everybody has a little dip, after a facelift or a rhinoplasty. But the key is you got to see the long-term goal, and that's what you and I do. So I think it's a 2 thumbs up. Be positive, be passionate, and you'll be great.
Yeah, it's amazing to see the change in some of these patients after their whatever procedure it is. It could be a facelift, it could be a rhinoplasty, it could be a breast surgery. Sometimes they're different people, and it has to do with their own personal preference and what really they're wanting to do. And if they're able to achieve those goals, they're a different person. I'll see somebody post-operatively, and sometimes like, who is this person? They almost like totally changes their outlook on life, which is great, and it's one of the greatest reasons we're in the best medical specialty, because we are able to change people's lives in a lot of ways that you never thought were possible.
100%, I agree. I just saw a facelift today. It was 6 months post-op, and I barely recognized her. She came in, she looked different, she dressed different. And I said, wow. And I said, did you lose weight? She said, no, I just feel like myself when I was 30. And I said, man, 2 thumbs up to you. And it's pretty impressive. And I do the same with rhinoplasty. And I'm sure you see that with breast surgery.
Yeah.
So that's a positive thing. And there's so many negative things out there. It's always good to hit people with positivity and positive thoughts. And now they can actually be positive because they look great.
Yeah, it's amazing. And it's just, it's a transformative procedure for a lot of patients. Great stuff on the positive effects of plastic surgery on mental health. Check out this video where a top celebrity tells her positive experience with plastic surgery.